Hello Garden Explorers! Today, we have a fun number color challenge with this super cute, giant snail. We have 6 great colors to make him look happy and bright. Let's get started! We'll start with the largest area, the sky. Find all the number 6 spaces. That's for blue. Color all the empty space around the snail a bright blue. It's a sunny day for a slow walk. Next, let's color the ground the snail is crawling on. Find all the number 5 spots at the bottom. Number 5 is green. We're coloring the soft grass and leaves green. Oops! We missed 2 spots for number 6 blue. Now for the big shell. It has a beautiful spiral pattern. Color the number 4 sections with orange. Color the number 3 sections, the ones in between, with yellow. Orange and yellow look great together on his house. Time for the snail's main body. Look for all the number 1 spots. Number 1 is brown. Color his whole body, his face, and his little eye stalks brown. Don't miss any tiny spots. Almost finished. We have a few tiny areas left marked with number 2. Number 2 is red. This red is for his tiny mouth or little rosy cheeks. Give him a happy, red smile. Fantastic! You turned a simple drawing into a vibrant masterpiece. Our smiling snail is complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more coloring fun. See you next time.